I've got a sunflower design for you this time. So I've already done all of my prep work. I've done the infill to my clear base, as this is a redesign, and I'm coming in on the little finger with Belle Glitterama. Absolutely gorgeous yellow, like as in Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Belle, that yellow, stunning. And using ballet shoes, I'm onto the pointer finger and making a messy job of that application. Hey, hey. So I'm just going to shape this into like a V, and then once that has set, I'm going to file the edges of the walls before I butt up the next colour against it. And then I'm doing a full coverage of ballet shoes on the middle finger and the ring finger, because that's where the sunflowers are going to be. And another very bad application of a very overly wenny, what is wenny? Hello? Overly runny, overly wet, but that's what I was going to say, overly wet. I'll just shut up. Right, look, get my words out properly now. What I was trying to say was that my room was so cold because I'd gone out shopping and I left the windows open because this was a nighttime appointment. So by the time that I got back and then went up to go get ready for work, I then realised that I left my windows open. It was like an icebox. So I put the heating on last minute, and it took like ages to warm up my room because I forgot I actually turned off the radiator in the room because of summer. Hey ho, hey ho. So I filed the walls of the cuticle bead on the pointer, so they're nice and crisp. And then I'm coming in and I'm using a mixture of lemon sherbet, Belle, ballet shoes and clear. And I'm doing a very small, strange looking marble. I liked the end results, but it is a strange looking kind of marble. And I left like the odd little clear part in it because I just wanted to have the clear effect, really. I like it when it's like that. I think it looks quite cool. But it turned out nice and I was happy with it. And so was me. So like I always say, that's all that matters. If the client is super happy. As long as you know that, like, well, as long as you can see where your errors are and then work on them, then you're good, you're doing fine. If your client's happy with what you're giving them, you know, it can't get better than that. That's the whole point of it, you know? So, after that, I did all the capping, and then once secured, I filed them nice and crisp, shit, and then I did top coat on the two nails that I'm doing the sunflower on. Just so I don't have to try fiddle around top coating afterwards. So I'm just using a small 3D brush, and I'm double dipping, but you can't really see it under this light. I'm double dipping with lemon sherbet and Belle to make the petals of the sunflower. Now, I've never done a sunflower before in 3D ever. This was like on the spot, so it didn't turn out as amazing as it should have done. But now it's something to work on. I mean, they're not bad, but they could have been a lot better. So for the centre of the sunflower, I used cocoa, purely because it's got glitter in it, and I've been dying to use that colour for ages. Nobody will let me use it, so I found my chance and in I went with it. So, and then like I just put little dots with the tip of my brush into it, and then after I've top coated the rest of the nails, and then I used gel paints in black and yellow, and I used the black to do dots in the centre of the sunflower, the brown, and then I used the yellow to like highlight some of the petals. So thank you for joining me. As always, give me a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!